Good morning, students. Today we discussed about e-commerce business models of subject computer standard 12. E-commerce business models. The business models of e-commerce are defined based on the parties involved and the type of business activities or services provided. Many business models have been proposed for e-commerce, but the following are the most popular amongst all. Earlier, we discussed how to e-commerce works and what are the activities or services included in e-commerce. Nowadays, how many business models are available in e-commerce? Like business to customer, business to business, customer to customer, customer to business, government to business, government to government, etc. But following are the most popular amongst all, like B2C, B2B, and C2C. Business to consumer. Business to consumer refers to business and organization that sells products or services to consumer over the internet using websites. Customers from anywhere can browse and order the products or services anytime. The seller can sell products directly to the customer. This is the most popular method on the internet. In B2C, one is a businessman and one is a consumer. This is widely used and most popular business model on internet because customer order their products or services from any time and anywhere, and seller can sell the product directly to the customer. Amazon.com, Rediff.com, Flipkart.com are the example of B2C models. These all websites are very popular and we familiar with all these websites. Business to business. Business to business refers to e-commerce activities between different business parties or partners. In B2B, both the seller and the buyer are business entities. E-relationship with their supplier, distributors and other agents. In B2B model, both are businessmen. One is wholesaler and one is retailer. Retailer purchase their item from the wholesaler. With the help of B2B, the companies can improve the efficiency of common business activities like supplier management, inventory management, payment management, and many more. Commodity.com and TradeIndia.com are the example of B2B model. Consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer refers to e-commerce activities involving transaction between and among the consumer. It enables the consumers to directly deal with each other through online auction and classified advertisement without the involvement of third party. In C2C model, both are consumer. It enables the consumer to directly deal with each other. Auction site is an example of C2C model. eBay.com, OLX.com, Quicker.com are the most popular websites or example of C2C business model.